Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google One's dark web monitoring feature, AI powered CCTV surveillance for Ram Mandir inauguration, Delhi Metro integration with One Delhi mobile app, Google's Bard Advanced powered by Gemini Ultra, Uber's Flex pricing, service expansion, CES 2024 tech announcements, Apple's Vision Pro VR headset and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google One introduces a new feature called Monitoring the Dark Web to help users track their personal information leaked on the dark web. Google One, a cloud storage subscription service, offers 100 GB of data for Rs 35 per month for the first 3 months, along with various benefits such as access to Google Exports and AI-related photo editing features. The feature alerts users if personal information like email ID, name, birth date, phone number, and passwords are detected on the dark web. In case of a data breach, Google guides its One members on actions like changing passwords and enabling two-factor authentication with ongoing monitoring for further breaches. Next, we have the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Trust in Ayodhya implements AI-powered CCTV surveillance for the inauguration of the Ram Mandir on 22 January. Due to the expected large influx of visitors, the police administration collaborates with the trust to strategically deploy AI-enabled CCTVs throughout the districts, including areas around the Ram temple. The inauguration ceremony is expected to witness the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with Vedic rituals preceding the main ceremony by a week and arrangements for 10,000 to 15,000 participants. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation (DMRC) integrates its ticketing services with the One Delhi mobile application, enhancing commuter convenience. Initially used for generating QR tickets for DTC buses, the One Delhi app now extends its services to include QR tickets for the Delhi Metro. The app, managed by the Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, Delhi IITD, serves digital QR tickets for both metro and DTC buses, offering integrated trip planning. Google introduces an upgraded version of ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot chatbots called Bard Advanced, powered by Gemini Ultra, Google's large language model LLM. Developers can access Gemini Pro and Gemini Pro Vision through Google AI Studio, handling up to 60 requests per minute for a sophisticated user experience. Google plans to launch Gemini Ultra in early 2021, a robust model designed for complex tasks following fine-tuning, safety evaluations, and partner feedback. Uber expands its flex pricing service to Tier 2 and 3 cities in India, allowing passengers to set their desired fare and giving drivers the flexibility to accept or propose rates. Passengers can choose from 9 pricing points or allow drivers to propose rates, providing a user-driven pricing experience. Uber's flex pricing service aims to broaden its customer base and compete with other ride-hailing apps offering similar bidding experiences. Next up, we have CES 2024, the world's largest annual tech convention, focuses on generative artificial intelligence, with brands integrating AI into everyday devices. Innovations include mixed reality, augmented reality headsets, health tech devices, AI PCs, and tech announcements from various companies. Acer announces the Aspire 3D 15 Spatial Labs Edition laptop, XReal introduces the Air 2 Ultra AR glasses, and Apple reportedly ships the Vision Pro VR headset with high-resolution 4K eyepieces. At last, Apple reportedly ships the Vision Pro, its first VR headset, to warehouses in the US before distribution to retail stores. Priced at $3,499, the Vision Pro is powered by Apple's in-house M2 chip, features 2 high-resolution 4K eyepieces, runs on custom Vision OS, and supports 3D content playback. Retail stores in the US are preparing for the announcement, possibly around CES 2024, and employees are trained to handle and operate the new VR headset. Initially limited to the US, Apple is expected to expand the availability of the Vision Pro VR headset in the near future. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.